Jesus, my Lord, my God, my all, alto part. Jesus, my Lord, my God, my all, how can I love thee as I ought, and how revere this wondrous gift, so far surpassing hope or thought. Sweet sacrament, we thee adore. Oh, make us love thee more and more. Oh, make us love thee more and more.